Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the reason why your car is no crank and no start. Let's get to it. Okay, I have 2013 Dodge Dart and it has the problem, no crank, no start problem. Look, here is all of the lights. I'm turning the key and it doesn't do anything. Even if I switch to neutral, nothing happens. Let me show you what I did. So first of all, you have to check your battery life to make sure the battery has juice and it's good. Because the first thing what we're thinking is a battery, right? So you will need to use either digital multimeter or this tool right here. It's a cheap tool from the Harbor Freight. So connecting positive, negative. Look, I have 12 volt, 12.3 or 12.7, so it's good. That means the battery is good. The next step what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check the ground. Guys, the ground actually is a common problem when the car is no crank, no start. Let me show you how. We're just getting just simple jumper cable. You can use just a regular wire. Just make sure it's thick enough. So we just connect into negative, taking red one because we are using same wire, and let's connect to the any component, engine component. I'm connecting to this mount of the alternator. Okay, let's try. Have key. Okay, I heard something. I heard that it was trying to connect. There's a bad ground issue. So I'm trying to move it a little bit. Move here and try again. If you have someone, they can help you. Look, it started. See guys, so that means somewhere between engine and frame has a bad ground. It either rust or bad connection or something. I have to find out what is that and just fix it. So it's very simple. Every time, if you have no crank, no start, check your ground. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.